In this video, I'll show you how to use GitHub Copilot in VS Code. Start by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. Before you can use GitHub Copilot, you'll need a GitHub account with access to GitHub Copilot. If you haven't already subscribed, sign up for GitHub Copilot through GitHub and make sure your account is active. Next, open Visual Studio Code and click the Extensions icon in the left sidebar. In the Extensions search box, type GitHub Copilot. Find the GitHub Copilot extension and click Install. After the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to sign in to GitHub. Click Sign In and follow the authentication process in your web browser. Once authorization is complete, return to Visual Studio Code. Now open an existing project or create a new file. GitHub Copilot works in many programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, C#, and more. Next, start typing code or write a comment describing what you want the code to do. For example, you might type a comment such as, create a function that sorts a list of names alphabetically. GitHub Copilot will analyze the context and generate a suggested code completion. When a suggestion appears, press the Tab key to accept it. If you don't want the suggestion, simply continue typing and Copilot will generate new recommendations based on your updated code. After that, you can view alternative suggestions when available. Open the Copilot suggestion controls or use the keyboard shortcuts configured in Visual Studio Code to cycle through different AI-generated options. Now let's look at Copilot Chat. Open the GitHub Copilot Chat panel from the sidebar or command palette. In the chat window, ask questions in plain English. For example, you can request code generation, code explanations, bug fixes, refactoring suggestions, or help understanding unfamiliar code. Next, use Copilot Chat to analyze files in your project. You can highlight a block of code and ask Copilot to explain it, optimize it, document it, or identify potential issues. After that, continue writing your application while using Copilot as an assistant. It can help generate functions, classes, test cases, database queries, API calls, documentation, and many other common programming tasks. Now, remember to review all AI-generated code before using it in production. GitHub Copilot can save time, but it's important to verify that the code is accurate, secure, and appropriate for your project. Finally, keep your GitHub Copilot extension updated so you can take advantage of the latest features, improvements, and AI capabilities available in Visual Studio Code. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use GitHub Copilot in VS Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.